we can see the Chief Minister say we are going to talk to the media once he is going to cast the vote. Pictures we are showing at this point of time. The Chief Minister along with his wife, they are going to cast a vote, and they are going to this Mirzapur polling station, and this has a lot of importance in Haryana politics. As I already told you, the way we have seen there is a high stake battle is going on. BJP one side, they are trying to retain power within the state, saying that a lot of development has been done in the state of Haryana, and they will be able to get majority. At the same time, we have seen a lot of issues which are being raised by the opposition party. They say there is a lot of anti-incumbency, there is a lot of unemployment. These are the issues. So once again, we can show these pictures from the ground. The Chief Minister along with his wife, they are going to cast the vote at this Mirzapur polling booth. So we will try and talk to them, but the Chief Minister says once they are going to cast their vote. So सर क्या लग रहा है कि क्या कैसा रहेगा?
बहुत बड़े मैंडेट के साथ सरकार आ रही है, बहुत बड़े मैंडेट के साथ।
So देखते हैं आप आज. So well, the Chief Minister is quite confident, and he says they will be able to win the election third time in the state. So these are the pictures and visuals which we are showing from the ground from this Mirzapur polling booth, where they feel they will be able to retain power. So I'll request my Vijay to keep on showing all these visuals from the ground, what is happening at this point of time, and how the Chief Minister of Haryana, Nab Singh Saini, is going to cast his vote. He, along with his family members, his wife, they had just come here and they are going to cast their vote. So, we are showing all these visuals. There's a lot of supporters, a lot of people who are being present here. Heavy security had been deployed here. एंटी इनकम्बेंसी को कैसे देख रहे हैं?
एंटी इनकम्बेंसी नहीं है, कांग्रेस के अंदर एंटी इनकम्बेंसी है। कांग्रेस का क्योंकि जो उनकी दलाली की दुकान थी, जो उनकी दुकान में झूठ का सामान था, वो खत्म हो चुका है और कांग्रेस के पास कोई सामान नहीं बचा, कांग्रेस के पास कोई जनाधार नहीं रहा। आप अशोक तंवर से बात कर सकते हैं इस विषय के ऊपर, तो क्योंकि उसने कोई भी दल नहीं छोड़ा, उसने अपनी पार्टी भी बनाई थी, कांग्रेस में रहा है, कांग्रेस के बाद अपना दल बनाया, फिर वो बसपा में चला गया, बसपा के बाद आम आदमी में चला गया, आम आदमी के बाद वो बीजेपी में आया, बीजेपी ने बड़ा सम्मान दिया था, अब कई लोगों को सम्मान भी नहीं हजम होता है, अब फिर वो दोबारा उसी डर्रे पे चला गया,